Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Ubersuggest for affiliate niche validation. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Ubersuggest website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill out the required information to set up your account. Once logged in, locate the search bar on the home page. In the search bar, input a keyword related to your affiliate niche. Select the appropriate country and language for your target audience. Click on the search icon to begin the analysis. After a moment, you will see an overview of keyword data. Pay attention to the search volume for the keyword you entered. Check the SEO difficulty score to evaluate competition. Scroll down to see related keyword suggestions. Choose keywords with a good balance of search volume and low competition. Next, navigate to the Content Ideas section in the left sidebar. This section will provide insights into popular content related to your keywords. Take note of the engagement metrics, such as social shares. Identify topics that resonate well with your target audience. Now, click on the Traffic Analyzer feature on the left. Input the URLs of competitors in your niche. Analyze their traffic sources and top-performing content. This information will help you understand what works in your niche. Return to the keyword dashboard and explore the backlinks section. Check for potential backlink opportunities for your chosen keywords. Next, collect the data on domain authority and page authority. Use this data to create a list of keywords for your affiliate strategy. Record your findings in a spreadsheet for easy reference. Final step, review your list and select the best keywords for your affiliate niche. By following these steps, you can effectively validate your affiliate niche using Ubersuggest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.